Greetings, everybody. So what I'm showing you here is a parable in Mark 13:35 concerning when the Lord of the house comes, where he outlines the watch times of the night. These are the hours between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m., divided into 4 watch times, which we also see in Luke 12:38 with the name of the second and the third watch time. And what I want to show you, and what I pray that Christians start perceiving, is that when the Lord comes in his second coming concerning the resurrection of all, begins at the parabolic eventide hour, where those who resurrect here in John 5:28 are different from those who step further. I think it's verse 26 if you go and read these verses. And those who step further is this side. This is the OutResurrection, Paul said, if somehow I may get into. Philippians 3:11. Okay, and then in Philippians 1:23, this is called up-loosening, which he said is much, much more better, emphatically. Luke 12:36. But he should up-loosen, where going away out of the wedding here at the first watch time, now not named, disappeared, is the OutResurrection, where these are being revealed in glory and being made into officiating spirits as angels. Hebrews 1:7, Hebrews 12:22 and 23. Okay, they take the reward, John 4:36, where then others are being the fruit led into Aeonian life, who have to come in either at the second watch time, midnight, or the third watch time. Cock's voice, midnight cock's voice, first, second, third watch time. Okay, so in the resurrection, when the Lord comes and the dead awaken, the unloosening here, which is a better resurrection, is not much, much more better, which is up-loosening, OutResurrection, revealed in glory, where these are revealed in flesh, recorded in heaven. Now, this is the same context of the revealed in flesh as the giving of the sinews and flesh will come upon you, Ezekiel chapter 37. And where the angels are dispatched into service, Hebrews 1:14, these are down established. Also seen in Luke chapter 12, verses 42 and 44. So this is a simplified way of explaining what we need to perceive in the last days, where in the resurrection of all, the OutResurrection are the first made into angels. That's what happens when one enters the wedding feasts. Okay? The wedding. Where going out of the wedding is the dispatched into the service of angels for others who are down established in being led to carry fruit into Aeonian life, which the second watch time is the parable of the 10 virgins at midnight. So when then they come in to the wedding, they then become officiating spirits dispatched into service. Where then the last to come into the wedding are the third watch timers. There's 3 orders to come into the wedding, where the fourth watch times will forfeit. Matthew 25:41. That's the context of the fourth watch timers, not named here. Because there is no bliss for those who go into so-called hell, the Gehenna judgment of the fire. No bliss, but woe